Hey, it's Alicia here at New VA Advice, where I offer business marketing and mindset coaching to help virtual assistants and service providers get out of overwhelm and create a business that they love. Today, I am here to encourage you to stop giving up. Stop giving up when things get hard. Because let's face it, we all know in life and especially in business, there are hard things that we have to deal with. It's not always just sunshine and rainbows, and that would be great, and there are lots of positive things, but there are going to be hard things too. And you can't just give up when something gets hard. If so, you're never going to really be able to create the business that you want and see the results that you want. Let me give you an example. When I was creating my new upcoming workshops, my business workshop series, I was having a lot of tech difficulties. I know enough tech to be dangerous, so I know enough so that I can set up things on my own, but it was just giving me trouble. And it was a good 3-4 days where I was having tech issues that I just couldn't figure out the answers to. So I could have said, you know what? Maybe this isn't for me. Maybe I'm not supposed to do this. Forget the whole workshop thing. I'm scrapping it. This is too hard. I could have done that, but there are people who need what I have to offer. There are people who need this information. So I can't just give up. I need to figure out a way to work it out and move on. Just like there are people who need what you have to offer. They need you to create your business because they need your uniqueness. They need your background and your skills and your expertise and the way that you handle things. They need that. So don't just give up when things get hard. Here's another thing to remember. You can do hard things. Think about other times in your life where you've gotten through something hard. It's not easy, but you did it. So say that to yourself. I can do hard things. You can. Now, I know I was just painting this picture that, business isn't all sunshine and rainbows, and it isn't all the time, but there's a huge payoff. There are a lot of rewards when you get through those hard things. It can be so worth it. Like the financial rewards that you're looking for, like the time freedom rewards that you're looking for, the flexibility that you want, all these things. When you work hard, you can really appreciate them. Another one that's a big reward, self-confidence. When you do something and you achieve it and you reach that goal, you feel really good about yourself. So I want you to feel good about yourself. The other thing is sometimes the things that we think are going to be really hard that we keep putting off because we think they're so hard, they end up not being so hard once we give it a try, right? I'm sure you can think of instances in your life where this has happened. You've put it off because you thought it was too hard, you can't do it, and you tried it and you did it. Or it's just a matter of reaching out to find the answers from the right person or the right source. And as you dig into it, you realize maybe it wasn't so hard. You were just scared. Fear happens too. Sometimes we just need to keep pushing through to get to the other side. So that's my reminder for you today. Just stop giving up. Stop giving up when it gets hard. Remind yourself you can do hard things, and there are often great rewards for pushing through it. So if you feel like you need some support to do the hard things in setting up your business, I invite you to think about my upcoming business workshop series. It's a 3-part series. You may need one part, you may need them all. Either way, it's there for you. You can check it out at newvaadvice.com/workshops. And we'll get you through those hard things, all of the things it takes to set up a business properly and get you going, and to know if it's viable, and to know your services and how you're pricing it and the market you're going after, and to set up a business that you feel proud of, and then to get clients into that business. All of those pieces, you can get support doing the pieces. Some for you might feel easy and effortless, and other pieces might feel hard, but you don't have to do it by yourself. You can do it in the workshops with myself and other group members and get that support and accountability that you need to work through the hard things. So again, if that sounds interesting to you and something you need to build, to create this business that you really want, this business of your dreams, and to get clients into that business, check out newvaadvice.com/workshops. Otherwise, please just remember, mindset shift for you. You can do hard things. There's a reward and payoff to do the hard things. Sometimes those hard things aren't so hard once you give them a try. So feel free to let me know your thoughts on this. Comments. Tell me a time you've gotten through something where you thought it'd be really hard and either it was or it wasn't, but you made it through. So that's it for me. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.